This is almost too powerful. The most powerful law of attraction technique to manifest what you desire fast and easy. Hey there, everyone. Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. The law of attraction is a divine law. It is actually part of the law of vibration, one of the 7 Hermetic principles. Remember, the law of attraction didn't come from outer space. It didn't come from some alien that was being channeled. It's an ancient law that goes back pre-Egypt. It goes back all the way to Hermes Trismegistus. And he understood the basic principles of nature and how things work and how things are manifested. And he wrote them down in what is oftentimes referred to as the Emerald Tablet of Hermes. As above, so below. As within, so without. The law of attraction is a law of the universe. And what's really exciting is quantum physics is proving every day even more that the law of attraction is real and that it works. See, people will say, I want to try the law of attraction. You don't try gravity. You don't try the law of aerodynamics. You live the law of aerodynamics. You live the law of gravity. This is a law, and when you accept it as such, that everything in your life, at some level, you have manifested, either consciously, subconsciously, or sometimes even through your energy field. But at some level, you've manifested it, high flyers. And so if you have manifested poverty, you can manifest great wealth. If you have manifested a breakup and a crappy relationship, you can manifest a loving, happy relationship. But it's not about getting other people to change. It's about changing the reality within you. You see, that is the secret. When people used to walk through the ancient mystery schools, and they would walk into the sacred temple or the sacred chamber where all the knowledge was contained, there was a sign that was hung over the doorway before you entered. And it says, know thyself. Know who you are. Know that every thought you think, every feeling you choose to feel is going to have some kind of counterpart in the external reality in which you live. You are co-creator of your reality. You are the designer of your life. So high flyers, you have the power to attract what you want. And it begins with your beliefs. Now, if you have beliefs that are limiting, that are defeating, that are negative, you're going to get that kind of results. And those beliefs always lead to thoughts. So you start off with negative beliefs, you end up with negative thoughts, you end up with negative feelings. Negative feelings are how we attract negative junk in our life. Positive, optimistic, resourceful, loving, grateful feelings are how we attract prosperity and abundance and happiness and love and joy into our life. You know, I was reading about a guy who's made a pile of money. He's made more money than most people will ever think of making. Yet he has been married and divorced 8 times. 8 times. You see, its abundance isn't just about money. It's about love. It's about family. It's about community. It's about connection. It's about everything that we cherish. And, of course, It's about prosperity and money as well. Now this, hang on, this secret, what I'm going to share with you, this technique is very, very powerful. And there's a caveat to it. There's a twist to it that I give you that you won't find anywhere else. Hang on, we're going to it next. So remember, high flyers, where your focus, your thoughts, your feelings, where your focus goes, energy flows. And when energy flows there, you are manifesting a miracle in your life. We've had people all over the world in 60 different countries manifest incredible miracles, saving their relation. Hundreds of people have saved their relationship that their relationship would have died. People have made incredible amounts of money because they learned to reshape and reshift their focus. And so the energy began to go in a different direction in their life. Now, I'm going to teach you a technique called super scribing. And I know you've heard about scribing before, but there's a caveat to this one. And when you learn it, you're going to understand why this one works and so many others do not. So high flyers, there are 5 simple steps to super scribing. And super scribing is something that you're going to do on a daily basis, but you're not devoting your entire life to it. This is easy. You're going to write 1 paragraph, 2 at the very most, each and every day. But first, before you do that, you're going to go out and you're going to buy yourself a nice notebook. Now, I like this one because it's special, it's leather, and I can anoint it with various oils. So think about this. This is a notebook. It either means something to you or it doesn't. It either attracts what you desire into your life, or it's just a bunch of notes and letters. So think about this. The first thing you want to do when you get this notebook home is you clear it. You can brush some sage over it. You can brush some frankincense. You can even steam it over some steam. You can even let it sit out under the moonlight, okay, for a night. But you want to clear it of all the negativity. Because look at how many people have handled this notebook. How many people have touched this notebook? It's been touched by thousands of people. You want only your energy in this notebook. And so clear it. First word, clear. Second word, charge. Put it between your hands. Close your eyes and dedicate it to your intention. I dedicate this notebook, and fill in the blank. What is your main intention or intentions? You can have more than one intention. I dedicate this notebook. And get serious about this. I dedicate this notebook to my life, to my prosperity, to my health and vitality, and to my love and the love I receive. So now, high flyers, you've charged your notebook. You've put your intention into it, what this notebook is about, what it's about. And then put your hand on top of it as if it were a Bible and consecrate it. I consecrate this notebook to act as a sacred symbol of my life dreams, my life goals, my journey on this planet. So 3 steps. Clear the notebook. Make sure that all the negative energy or other people's energy is off this notebook. Number 2, charge it. Allow some energy to just flow through your hands. You Reiki masters will understand this very well. You can literally Reiki your book, but allow it to flow through your hands and then consecrate it, dedicate it. Next, put this in a safe place. Don't let anybody touch this notebook or have access to it, because this is a sacred talisman that acts as a magnet to attract whatever you put into it. Listen, whatever you put into it, it's attracting for you. So don't give other people options to read it or to look at it or to hold it, because they are desecrating your sacred space, your sacred scribing. Next, write in present tense every day in your notebook. Write 1 or 2 paragraphs, present tense, as if it is happening right now. Next, include in your paragraph a little bit of gratitude. And then finally, at the bottom of it, and I use a different color, at the bottom of it, summarize. Summarize that little paragraph with 1 affirmation. Now, every time you do that affirmation, you are releasing the power of whatever you wrote in that paragraph. It's amazing. You don't have to read the paragraph all day long. All you have to do is say the affirmation. And then finally, high flyers, do it at the same time every day. I think the best time, okay, there are different people have different times. I think the best time, turn off the TV, turn off your iPhone, turn everything off, light a candle, sit down at a desk, and write a paragraph in your notebook. And then afterwards, be sure and summarize that paragraph with 1 affirmation, 1 sentence affirmation, a short affirmation that summarizes the paragraph. You do that every day. It's unstoppable. It's like, wow, this thing becomes charged. Listen, not only does your mind begin to shift and your beliefs begin to shift and your energy begin to shift and your thoughts, all that begins to take place, but this becomes charged. It becomes like a talisman, and it literally is drawing to you whatever you desire. I know it sounds crazy. It works. It absolutely works. Okay, in the description, I will kind of put the outline of the 5 steps, so you can go back and read through it if you get a little confused. Use this. It really works. Be sure and visit us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. Hey, listen, we're here to help you claim your 30 minutes free of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching. Put your life where you desire it to be. Remember, if you write us, always leave your phone number. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.